We're beginning our walk up the hill at the bottom of Doodletown Road. This area is a well-known habitat for cerulean and hooded warblers. In fact, we've already heard one distant cerulean warbler, which aren't as common this far down the hill. A warbling vireo can still be heard from near the road. That's a species that tends to be more common in edge habitats around here, and we probably won't hear one again as we get deeper into the forest. Before we get very far, we have our first hooded warbler, very close to the trail. It's accompanied by an insistent tufted titmouse and an even more persistent red-eyed vireo. The red-eyed song phrases are almost all clear, and there are many different phrases in the vocabulary of one individual. Hopefully we'll hear the very different yellow-throated vireo higher up amongst the taller trees. Further up the trail we find another hooded singing, this time accompanied by the hoped-for yellow-throated vireo. It has a much smaller palette of phrases, most of which are also buzzy. If you listen really carefully, you'll hear a distant cerulean warbler. Further up, we hear a hooded warbler chip. This is exciting because it could be a female, which are often difficult to see during nesting season. After some waiting, we find out that indeed that's what it is. In the background is an indigo bunting singing pairs of mostly two-element phrases. Finally, a much closer cerulean warbler, but before we have a chance to explore those songs, another hooded warbler sings. This time it's singing the type B song, which is slightly more complicated and may be more about boundary protection than mate attraction. We leave this section with a cerulean song, offering hope of getting closer to this beautiful species.